Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome back to my vlog at Manay Mirna 5.5. Another day, another vlog. So, katatapos ko palang mag-prepare ng aming munting pagsasaluhan sa gabing ito, sa New Year's Eve. So, nauna kong natapos ang mga dessert. Happy New Year again sa lahat. Marami na akong lidong-lidong circle. So, ito yung mga dessert ko na ginawa. Ito ay malagkit or biko. Medyo natubod pag caramelize. Then, mayroon akong macaroni salad na tinikman na nila. At gumawa si Rosie ng buko kasi favorite ni Nico. At of course, may dessert na fruits para pampahalo ng life natin. At of course, yung cakes. Of course, yung cake natin nandito. Tsaka may extra pa kami na donut at so yan ang aming nakawa kong dessert. Dalawang lechon, yung isa pinadad, lechon belly, yung isa buo. At saka mayroon kami itong dapo puti, pansit at Shanghai. May sinuba na baboy, grilled pork. Yung pansit ko ginawa kong malabong, kunyari may nilagyan ko dito na maalat. At saka ito na ano bang tawag dyan, embutido ko. So yan lang ang ulam namin. Upo-upo muna tayo dito sa room habang naghihintay kasi si Nico nag-work pa. Pero hinihintay namin para sa dinner. Wala man kami ngayong bisita, didahan. Pasko ang bisita namin. So, Korochi! Andito si Korochi. Happy New Year! Ang taba na ng baby ko. Ay, Diyos Malia Josep na akong Korochi. Dumapo na. Big naman ini nga Korochi. Una binablog ko, guti ay pa. May I see your eyes? Open your eyes, open. Open. Korochi, look at mama. Oh, see? Two big eyes. And happy New Year again. Ipahinga ko ang paa ko kasi napagod ako. Kung simple lang ang pagsasaluhan namin, pero magiging happy kami dito. So, from our family, big, simple, happy, blessed family to yours. Happy New Year, everyone. So, yun lang ang ano namin. Yun lang ang food namin. Samahan nyo ako mamaya pagkain. So, yun ay may lechong kami. Dalawang belly yung ginawa ko. Isa lang muna yung chinap ko. Yung isa dyan lang yan. Kasi kung i-chop lahat parang na ano. At least kung hindi na chop lahat, bukas mayroon pa. Kasi nag-ihaw din si Papa ng pork belly. Kaya, ayun. Tapos may pansit, embutido, at saka, of course, yung Shanghai. So, yun ang pagsasaluhan namin. At ang mga dessert namin yun, nakita nyo naman marami. At saka yung fruits na ginawa ko. Yung maganda yung pagkaayos sa fruits ko, diba? So, before anything else, as I always say, yun na makontento sa kung anong meron tayo para laging happy ang lahat. Pinawisan na ako sa shower na ako, pero pinawisan ako sa sa kusina. Kiwa-kiwa, giyos-giyos. So, always be happy, makontento. And then, ingat-ingat kayo. Tapos, ayun, hope your new year will be, maganda ang simula. Okay? Good luck to all of us. Samahan nyo ako sa pagkain. Pagdating ni Nico, kakain na kami. Muna ako kay Korochi. Korochi! Hi! Hi, Korochi! And ano tayo sa misa, doon tayo kakain. Habang nagbibihis sila doon sa taas while waiting also for Nico's arrival. So ako nagutom yung magkonti-konti akong magkain kasi parang nagutom ako. Kain tayo. Ano lang, tikim-tikim lang habang wala pa si Nico. Ay, hindi kayo magkakita dito kaya. Ayan. Parang husband. Ayan. Pangitala pa. Tikim-tikim lang tayo. Thank you so much for receipt. Nagbibihis pa sila. Kaya niya tayo nakukonti-konti. Tapos mamaya dessert. Sarap ang tiniba. Ay, nalatong pa. Lagang-laga ang lekson. Ito kahara. So good. Everything. Yung lang tayo. Ay, nalatong pa. Ngayon na. Pagsaring daw Happy New Year na ito. Ayera.
Happy New Year!
Ano naman kita? Ay, nalito lang kung pinamili. Ay, kasigin ka o na direct na pahagitan camera.
Excuse me, Pat. Are you wearing earbuds on the floor?
Masutagtut.
This might seem a little silly, but we planned a scenario where I reprimand Matt.
Imagine.
Yeah, we thought it might help as like a little authority reminder.
And I did some acting in my homeboys youth group, so this will be easy. I played the back half of the T-Rex that Mary Magdalene rode.
Kuno tikim-tikim pero damot nakakaon.
Please! I don't want this to be like
May
last
gutom
time.
ako.
Why? What happened last time? I can't say because of what happened last time. I talked about what happened last time.
Which was a firm and fair and normal punishment.
Yeah,
Tambak na kayo to.
Ay, nala.
You pinch anyone else?
Ako,
I
ano,
just
nala.
want you to know I did not mean for this to go the way it did.
I appreciate that.
Okay.
If I have more time,
Ilaw-ilaw, kaon-kaon.
Ah, sino ba ako eh?
I'll be the
Ang
one
haga.
to sit here and say it's all in the past, all is forgiven, and we can just laugh it off.
how are you the bigger person exactly?
What do you mean?
Well, I was a victim, so only I have the power to be the bigger person.
Well, I was the victim of your
Para ma-deserve na.
If anyone
Hmm,
else
meron
is
saan
gonna let that
yung butilyo
happen,
nga.
make it my
Dari pa yun ito.
mission to take them down. I'm letting it go because it's you, and I like you.
I'm willing to let it go because I like you. I like you.
Naman.
I don't know what Renee's problem is.
Ano po din?
We're not fighting. At least have mutual respect.
Ayaw ko po din shell.
And we must put the order of things. I mean, I am in charge, so technically I'm allowed in all of the
Mga
lanes.
suppliction
I'm
kailangan.
making the lanes, you know, they're all my lanes. Did you just move away from me?
Know that I am on your side in spirit, but on vacation, I need to keep my distance. And talk about you behind your back.
What the hell, Mel?
It's okay, I don't really mean it.
Won't mean what?
Mag-wine kita.
What is that? What will you?
Kay New Year man yan ah.
Spirit, but I can't be seen with you either.
Conflicts escalate when two people can't understand each other's points of view. But experience breeds empathy.
$1 down, 15.
Happy New Year!
Let's January 10th.
Dessert na tayo guys. Ito dessert ko. Biko, macaroni, at saka mamaya na yung anak. Magkakasin na mamaya na ng bok. Guys, i-end ko na ang vlog kasi nagpe-prepare na para magkanta-kanta. So, makaka-copyright ako, sayang. So, that's it. Happy New Year again.